Now I'm going to use the bone meal I just made to plant some garlic. So I'm going to plant my garlic along the edge of the garden, right down along here. Hopefully it'll keep some of the bugs out and it'll get plenty of sunlight. Hopefully this dog won't eat up or dig up my garlic to get to the bone meal. Okay, so we're going to get down to the soil. Get rid of some of these weeds on the top here. Soil is nice and wet because we just had some rain. Okay, so we're going to dig a bit of a hole here. Okay, we're going to put a pinch of the bone meal in the bottom of the hole where the roots are going to be. Get our garlic. I'm planting some soft net garlic in here this year because it seems like we're a little warm for the cold neck. We are zone 8A now. So there's where the bottom of the clove was, and that's where you want to plant that side down. Just put that in there like that. Firm the soil around it a little bit. Then I'm gonna do tiny bit of the alfalfa pellets. Those won't stop anything from coming through because as soon as they get wet, they'll just crumble and disintegrate. Then after that's done, I'm gonna put a nice cover of mulch on, and that's it. So I'll just keep going that down the row every 4 inches. Probably do one step at a time. I did it real quick so you could see the whole process all at once. Tell me if you've planted garlic this year and if it's coming up yet, or if it's waiting until spring if you're too cold. Mine should come up through the winter and get ready to go by the springtime. Okay, so here is my whole edging of the garden here in my garlic and covered in mulch. And let me say one last thing about this process. The process of making bone meal, which I probably should have said for my first thing, and that is that I have been throwing away my chicken and turkey bones because I don't want to even put them in the compost because I'm afraid that my dog will get them and eat them and cause problems. I've heard that they can go through your intestines because they're very sharp and pointed. So this process of making it into bone meal is so easy, and it's so good for the garden, and it's so good for the dogs too. They're not gonna die, so why not do it? I will leave an end screen here to the first video in this series on making bone meal, and also to the next video in this series, using swamp water to feed the garlic. Get out in your garden and go grow.